everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these socks for babies, and you can see the size difference here because this is for newborn babies and this is for 24 months old babies, and I used same pattern for these socks, so it doesn't matter how old your baby is, you can make a socks for them. So let's begin. To make the sock, I'll show you how to make this newborn babies sock. So I'll make a magic ring and then I'll make chain 2 to secure it. Then inside this magic ring I'll make 7 double crochets. I'm making 7 double crochets inside this magic ring. After doing 7 double crochets, I'll close the magic ring. After closing the magic ring, I'll make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. The chain 2 will not be counted as a double crochet. So in the first double crochet, I'll make a slip stitch. Okay, this is the first round. Now for the second round, I'll make 2 chains. It will not be counted as the first double crochets, just to make sure that the height is same. Now I'll make 2 double crochets in each stitch for the second round, so there will be 14 double crochets. I have done 14 double crochets. Now I'll make a slip stitch in the first double crochet to close the second round. For the third round, I'll make again 2 chains, and then in the first double crochet I'll make a double crochet, then in the next stitch 2 double crochets, then in the next stitch 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch I'll increase with 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So for the third round I'm increasing in every other stitches. So there will be 21 double crochets in the third round. 1 double crochet in the next stitch and then 2 double crochets in the next one. This is the third round. I'll make a slip stitch and finish the third round. Now up to 6 months old babies, you have to make 7 double crochets inside this magic ring, and after that you have to increase the amount of double crochets you make in the magic ring. And this is the 2 years old sock, and I made 10 double crochets inside this magic ring. So if you want to make a sock for babies older than 6 months, you can make 8 double crochets. Then after 12 months old babies, you can make 9 double crochets. Then after that you can go to 10 double crochets inside this magic ring. Now for the fourth round, I'll make again 2 chains, and in every stitches I'll make 1 double crochet. So this is the 4th round, and from 4th to the 9th round, from 4th to the 8th round, I'll make 1 double crochet in each stitch, so that there will be 21 stitches in each round, and in total I'll be making 5 rounds of 21 double crochets. And after each round I'll make slip stitch in the first double crochet to complete the round, and I'll come back after I made the 8th row. And I have done up to the 8th round here. Now I'll do this heel part. For this heel part I'll make chain 2, and then in the next 10 stitches I'll make 1 double crochet in each stitch. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Before continuing, let me tell you that for 1 to 3 from 0 to 3 months old babies, 5 rows of 1 double crochet in each stitch will be sufficient, but after 3 months you have to increase the rows of the double crochets. So for 6 to 12 months you have to make 2 to 3 extra rows, then after that again increase it with 2 to 3 rows. For these 2 years old babies I made 10 rounds of 1 double crochet in each stitch here, and after 10 double crochets I'll make chain 2 and turn my work. Then again I'll make 1 double crochet in each stitch, on top of the 10 double crochets, so that there will be 10 double crochets, and I'll make 2 more rows of this, so there will be 4 rows of 10 double crochets. Again chain 2, turn my work, and I'll continue making another 2 rows of 10 double crochets. There I have made 4 rows of 10 double crochets here. Now I'll fold it like this, not like this. I'll fold it back side like this. Then I'll make slip stitches alongside these stitches. So I made 10 double crochets, so there will be 5 slip stitches to make. Even out the rows and then continue making the slip stitches. Like that, and then I'll make I'll fasten off here and cut the yarn here, but if you don't want to cut the yarn, you can slip stitch back to here, but I prefer to cut my yarn. Cut my yarn here. I'll hide my yarn here. Then what I'm going to do is fold it like this, and your heel is ready. Now, according to the age of your baby, you have to increase this amount of double crochets in this row for the heel. As for newborns, I made 10 double crochets, and for the socks that I made for 2 years old, I made 16 double crochets for this heel, but I made 4 rows. So it doesn't matter that how old your baby is, you have to make 4 rows for the heel, but you have to increase the amount of double crochets you make for the heel. 10 double crochets for 3 months is enough. After 3 months, let's say to 6 months, you have to make 12 double crochets, then after that 14, then gradually increase it up to 16. Now I'll join my yarn again. Let me make a slip knot first. Then I'll join the yarn here. And then make 2 chains. Then you can see these double crochets here. I'll make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 double crochets in the next, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And this is for the heels. Now I'll continue double crochet here, but you can see this stitch where the double crochets for the heel started. I'll make a double crochet in this stitch also. Then I'll continue making 1 double crochets in each stitch up to the heel. There will be 11 double crochets. Like so. And again I have reached the stitch where the rows of double crochet begin, and in that stitch I'll make 1 double crochet, and then in these rows I'll make alternate increase. I'll first make 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch, again 1 double crochet, and again at the last stitch I'll make 2 double crochets, and then I'll make a slip stitch in the first double crochet, and this is the 6th round. Now again I'll make chain 2, and I'll continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch, and I'll make another round of 1 double crochet in each stitch, so that after the heels there will be 3 rows of 1 double crochet in each stitch. And I have completed the 11th row. So you can see this is the heel, and up over the heel I made 3 rows. Now I'll make this border here. For the border and for the 12th row I made 2 chains. Now for any age you have to make 3 rows or 4 rows, but not more than that for the ankle part. So over the heel you have to make 3 rows of 1 double crochet in each stitch for any age. Now for the border, 2 chains and then front post double crochet and then back post double crochet, and continue doing this. So for front post double crochet you have to insert your hook like this from behind the double crochet here, then do a double crochet. And for the back post double crochet you have to enter the hook from back to front of the double crochet stitch like this, and then make a double crochet. Like so. Front post double crochet and then back post double crochet. So after 14th round I made a slip stitch and fasten off here. Then you have to hide your yarn in this row, and this is the complete socks for the newborn. Now I used same pattern as I said for these socks for 2-year-old baby.